So Amy started painting the molding. And we're getting the refrigerator area. I had to double the molding down here to cover up the gap and everything, but it looks really good. So really molding, I was told once that I was cheating because you could fill up, you could get rid of imperfections, but I really feel that molding really finishes it off. And yes, you can get rid of imperfections, but if you can do both at the same time, I think that's great. So here's a place where the molding's not on yet, versus over here, well, it's kind of dark, but you can see the molding there. Well, the molding right here. So it really gives it a finished look. And we're just using pine here, short pieces of pine. They're cut-offs, and they're 2 inches. Put a 45 on them, so it's nothing real complicated. And they're going to be painted white anyways. You can see that versus here. So a big difference. It really is going to stand out. And here's no molding. And when we put this molding on, it's going to look like this. So you see the difference. It really does finish it off.